To add text to your lock screen in Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, first of all, let's open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down to the personalization, then we can select it and click on our lock screen on the left. That way we can customize it, and right here you should be able to find the widgets, clock and etc. But in this case we have applied a style of wallpaper that doesn't work, which is actually great because as you can see, depending on which style you've selected, you won't be able to add that signature. So now let's go back, and here we need to change to different lock screen style. Just browse through different lock screen styles and see if this option is there, but it's always on the main customizable lock screen that you've made and is a default one for your phone. So let's click on customize right here, and then we'll be able to add the signature on the small window. Just tap on this small window and then type in whatever you want. For example, let's type in time to fix. And here we have our signature. We can just apply it. And it's done. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.